Now I am going to talk about my presentation. Today I will present a technical inspection report of the 2023 Suzuki Vitara. This presentation focuses on the steering, suspension and braking system. In this inspection, three important vehicle systems were evaluated. There are the steering system, suspension system and braking system. All systems are checked for safety, stability and performance. The vehicle uses a rack and point steering system with power assistance. This system provides accurate steering control and battery handling. Important components include the steering rack, tie rods, and steering columns. The steering inspection showed proper wheel alignment and smooth steering operation. The alignment, geometry, and steering leakage worked correctly during cor- during cor- cornering. No abnormal resistance or mechanical problems were found. The suspension system helps absorb road shocks and maintain driving safety. The Vitara uses independent front suspension with oil spring and shock absorbs. It also includes control arms, shoes bars and ball joints. The shock absorbers operated efficiently with no leakage detected. Control arms and joints showed no excessive wear or damage. The swashbar system also maintained good vehicle stability. The vehicle used a dual-circuit hybrid braking system. Front wheels use disc brakes while rear wheels use drum brakes. ABS and ESP systems are also integrated for additional safety. The brake disc, drums, and hydraulic cooperates were inspected successfully. Brake pedal response was firm and stable. ABS and ESP system functioned correctly during testing. All inspected systems meet the required technical standards. The steering, suspension, and braking systems operated safely and efficiently. In conclusion, the 2023 Suzuki Vitara demonstrate reliable performance and system stability. No corrective actions are required after the inspection. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.